Hey, good morning, Coach. Do I have permission to speak at the table real quick?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Hey, it's
Round
it's nice,
table.
right? It's nice to finally talk to you on the air. I was
Absolutely.
telling Mitch and everyone else earlier that it's great to be back, and I was just taking a little break, and
Absolutely.
emptying out my cup, but ready to get back to learning. And this VIP, man, I love this in the morning. That's why I'm trying to, sacrifice my current schedule just in hopes for a better return, And I know I'll still make it to the gym. It's just like it's all about the discipline, I'm not gonna lose my discipline. Like this is what I want to do. I want to be in here in the mornings and then
Absolutely, man.
just
I
keep
appreciate
learning.
you.
Hey, I appreciate you. Thank you, Coach.
We got to find the balance.
Yep, that's what I was thinking, Coach. The balance, and that's what I'm here to find.
So what I don't want you guys to do is get hung up on the money versus your health, right? And Brady is a perfect example of good balance, making sure your health is a priority, right? Like I praise him for it. Every time I work out, I think of Brady, right? So he is the role model that we should be looking for as far as like finding a balance because your health, obviously, on your deathbed, I'm telling you what, right? Or if you've ever been sick or had a sick loved one or a spouse or a girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it is, or a kid, health will always trump money any day. So please, please, please take care of yourselves. It's more important than the cash. The cash will come doing what we do, but every little time, every little day that you go away from health or you stop having those good habits, it's going to chip away at your overall health condition. So I'm glad you said that this morning, Mystic. Thank you, buddy.